Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, The King of How To. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a side table out of a few pieces of wood. That's not going to cost you a lot. Please enjoy the video. Thanks. Next we're going to sand all our edges from the pieces that we cut. Next, after we finish sanding pieces, we're going to make our frame that is going to support the legs underneath, and it's going to support our side table top. I am going to pre-drill holes, and I'm going to use 2-inch screws to attach it together. Next, we're going to attach our 4 legs. We're going to do this by drilling a hole through our top frame straight down, and then we'll attach the legs on the other side of it. Next, we're going to install these braces for our legs so they stay aligned on our table. You can place them anywhere you like. You can leave them at the bottom and make like a rectangular frame. You can put them in the middle if you want like freestanding legs. It's really up to you. Because my coffee table has the supports at the bottom, I'm gonna do the same thing to my side table because I want the two of them to match. We're going to do the same thing. We're gonna pre-drill a few holes, and then I'm gonna put a screw to hold it all together. Our next step is to cover these holes with wood putty, so then once we stain it you won't see any holes there. While we're waiting for the wood filler to dry, we're going to create the burnt effect on our pieces here. So we're going to choose the nicest sides that we would like to show on top. So we're going to burn this top here and all the edges, as well as the edges between the pieces. So when we line them up, we'll have a nice pattern that is going to emerge. I am using just a regular propane torch that you would use for soldering your pipes. You can use any type of a torch for this. I am going to stand these up by the wall. As you see, I can create a darker or lighter effect depending how close I hold the torch to my piece. I'm gonna do the edges nice and dark. So the amount that you do really depends on how you want it to end up looking. Okay, I'm gonna do the sides here because it's going to be on the edge of my table. There we have it. I did the burning effect on all the 3 planks. I think this is going to look great as my top. Next, we're going to clear coat our top pieces with the polyurethane clear coat. I'm choosing satin. I already used this on my coffee table, so I'm gonna stick with what I used in the past. Once this clear coat is dry, I'm going to put a second coat on just to make it extra durable for the everyday use. After the wood filler has dried, I gave it a quick sand just to get rid of any high spots that were there. Next thing I did, I put some screws where the top part is going to sit, so I can hang it up, so I can paint it all the way around at once, so I don't have to keep waiting for one side to dry versus the other. So once I sanded it, made sure there's no dust left over, I gave it a quick wipe, and now I'm going to use my black gel stain once again because it is matching what I used on the table. After giving it a final inspection to make sure I got a really good coverage, we're gonna let this dry, and then we'll be able to attach our top. Now that we have our frame all dried up and complete, we're going to screw on our top pieces right onto it from underneath. To get our side table all complete. As you see here, I have my side table all set up now. It looks great. It fits beside the couch nicely without taking too much space. And it matches my coffee table perfectly. I did the coffee table using the same process as we used to do the side table. So they look very close and it makes the room nice and complete. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe for more future videos. Thank you. Bye.